Welcome to the future of mobile technology with the all-new Nokia NX Pro 5G, a smartphone that redefines performance, photography, and endurance. Designed for tech enthusiasts, creators, and power users alike, the Nokia NX Pro 5G combines cutting-edge hardware with sleek, premium design, delivering a device that is as stunning to look at as it is powerful to use. Starting with its ultra-premium build, the NX Pro 5G features a sleek metallic frame with polished edges, coupled with a glossy back panel that catches light beautifully from every angle. The design is minimalistic yet striking, making the device feel solid in your hand while maintaining a slim and elegant profile. Every detail, from the reflective glass to the subtle curves of the frame, has been meticulously crafted to create a smartphone that looks and feels truly flagship. The highlight of the Nokia NX Pro 5G is undoubtedly its 400 megapixels ultra-clear DSLR-grade camera system. Designed for professional photographers and content creators, this triple camera module captures every detail with remarkable clarity and accuracy. From breathtaking landscapes to macro shots, the camera ensures vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and incredible low-light performance. The front punch-hole camera also delivers crystal-clear selfies and supports 4K video recording, making it perfect for vlogs, live streams, or video calls. Under the hood, the NX Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset, one of the fastest processors available, ensuring smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and effortless handling of demanding apps. Coupled with generous RAM and advanced GPU capabilities, the device can handle even the most resource-intensive tasks with ease. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, editing videos, or playing the latest games, the performance is flawless and consistent. Battery life is another standout feature. The massive 9,000 mAh battery ensures that the Nokia NX Pro 5G keeps you going for days on a single charge. Coupled with intelligent power management, fast charging, and 5G connectivity, you can work, play, and stay connected without constantly worrying about running out of power. Software-wise, the NX Pro 5G comes with a clean and intuitive interface, optimized for efficiency and ease of use. It supports the latest Android updates, security patches, and customization options, giving you a smooth, personalized experience. In conclusion, the Nokia NX Pro 5G is not just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. With its premium design, industry-leading camera, top-tier performance, and unmatched battery life, it sets a new benchmark for what a flagship smartphone can be. Whether you're a photographer, gamer, content creator, or everyday user seeking excellence, the NX Pro 5G delivers an unparalleled mobile experience that is future-ready, stylish, and extraordinarily capable.